They say it doesn't rain in Arizona, but last night there was a thunderstorm and I slept right through it. But this is the AC place, whatever that is, and there's a lot of water over here. So let's see. I have no clue what to do, but I'm getting my mop. Well, it's not my mop. I'm getting a mop. And let's see if I just like soak it up and go right back over here. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's a mess. I am literally a freaking mess. Let's see. Okay, turn this around. The fun, cute thing about this thing is it's like, let's see if it works. Okay. Alright. Soak some more water up. Let's see. Alright, my sister got something good. Let's see. Oh, it's still dripping. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna leave the bucket right there so don't be messing up my laminated floors. Again, it's not my floors, but you know what I mean. Let's do this again. Alright, look at that water in there. Oh, ew. Oh no, not on the door. Yeah, it's on the door. Let's see. Alright. Oops. They're all sleeping. They're gonna flipping kill me. But whatever. Okay, so I'm just leaving this in there. That's my swimming trunks from last night's swim. And I guess I'm gonna put this. You see that? It's dripping, dripping. Let's see if I'm gonna catch it. Alright, I'm catching it. Oh, look at that. Oh, ew. Hi, Garfield. Hi, Garfield. Come here. Say hello to everybody. Say, come on, just say hello. Say, meow, 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 meow. The storm was very scary last night. Love you.